then she drank some milk, but the cinnamon reacted with the milk and made her cry more.
Ew.
I know.
Do you need to do it?
I ain't doing that. I had about a granule of cinnamon. I was really sick everywhere out, just that. So, burning. I just realised something.
What?
Joshua is my stalker.
I know.
Because yesterday before, he said how's your Tumblr stalker doing? And I have not mentioned the Tumblr stalker since I changed my URL. So he's about me.
No, you changed your URL and then in your video you were like, I changed my URL because I'm being stalked by a boy at school.
But,
and he knows
obviously
it's him.
He's watched the video, knows it's him, but then in his head he must think, if it is me, then that makes me a stalker. So he knows he's a stalker and he's still okay with it. Does that make sense?
It is just horrible.
He's fine with being called a stalker. Ruining my
Awkward.
life. That should be an indication that you should stop and you're not doing a good job of it.
Yeah. What did you get?
X minus 2 squared plus 5.
Yes!
How did you do that?
I did it.
Yeah, but how?
Square thing. I don't know the name of it, but I know what it is.
What are these things doing there for me?
Solve equations. We're just starting it.
Like X and Y and stuff like that.
Yeah, we'll start off with like x plus 3 equals 12 and 5x equals 24.
Ooh.
See what they can do.
Okay, hence how. Oh god, I can't remember how to do this. Is it 5?
What?
Hence or otherwise state the coordinates of the minimum point of the curve. I can't remember how to do that. Oh, yes, I do.
How?
By factorising.
Yeah, I factorised it.
Oh.
So.
Not properly.
Oh no, you haven't factorised this one. Like, into 2 brackets.
Yeah, I know.
That's, yeah.
I'm helping you here.
2x minus plus 3 and 2. Add together to make the 9 times to make the 4.
It's it's 2 plus or minus square root of 5.
What?
What? It is.
How is it?
Look. X minus 2 squared plus 5 equals 0. So, x minus 2 squared equals minus 5. X minus 2 equals square root of minus 5. Can you get square root of the minus number?
No.
So possible.
Well, you can, but not a real square root of a minus.
What, so it doesn't have a real root?
Correct.
So what do I write?
No real roots.
That's not what it's asking now.
So
What's the
it
question?
State the minimum point of the curve.
What do you know about the minimum point?
I don't know.
Have you differentiated it?
No.
Is that what you've got to do?
Well, what do you know about the value of the differential at a turning point?
I don't know. Oh, it's 0.
Something 0.
Right, so find the differential.
So you differentiate. Oh, how do you...
2x minus 4. Right.
So that equals 0.
Hang on, have you found out what Q is?
Yeah.
So isn't that the minimum point?
Is it? Why?
A hence is normally it's easy to do.
So,
So it's 2. Or is it just that?
Have you got x equals 2?
It's just that, isn't it? It's just 5.
Yeah. Well, y is 5 or x is 2. Then one.
It's just 5.
Jesus Christ, right.
Why is it 5?
Because that's the lowest point that it's going to go in the
Yeah.
curve. Because that's where it crosses the y-axis. And it's,
that doesn't mean that's the minimum
and it's a
point.
positive thing.
That doesn't mean
Yeah,
that's
it
the
does.
minimum point.
Wow.
Because you could cross the y-axis at 4. So if this was your y-axis,
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, you could cross at 3 and still come lower there before you go back up.
Ah, yes. Yes, I see.
Oh, 'cause what's the
What?
you know the x minus 2 squared thing? What's the minimum value that can be?
Is it 2, 5?
2.
Listen to that.
Right, what's the minimum that x squared minus... That x minus 2 all squared, what's the minimum value that can be?
I don't know.
Ever.
2.
You can get smaller.
What happens if x is 2?
I'll be 5.
Square.
Yeah, so what happens if x is minus 1?
So, x has
minus
to
3
be...
squared.
Which gives you...
A positive number.
9.
But what happens if x is 1?
Minus
one-
1 squared and you get 1.
So it's always a positive number.
Right.
So what's the minimum it could be?
Nothing.
Oh,
Nothing.
so,
So then nothing plus 5
It's 5.
validates your y equals 5 bit.
Yeah, so x...
That's the reason for it.
Okay.
So if the y is 5, what's the x coordinate? What
0.
does x have to be?
0.
2.
2.
What?
X,
So it's 2, 5.
Drew, x has to be 2 in there
Yeah.
to make y equal 5.
Okay, yeah.
So 2
Yeah.
is 2,
So
5.
it's 2, 5.
Okay.
And that's where I was saying, so your turning point, if this is the axis, is actually over here.
Okay.
Yeah?
Yeah. We're only on question 3 and I'm getting stuck.
That's alright. First time.
It's the first touch in months.
Yeah, fair point.
I think you might get a D this time, Drew.
I'd be happy with any kind of improvement. I don't know, the grades were so close together, I thought I had to do it 5 times better to get, like,
No.
or like do double as well to get a D,
No,
and then double that again to get up.
It's only out of 75.
There's only about 8 marks in between each one. So no, more.
Okay, that's not too bad. How?
What's the difference between getting a U and getting a E?
That means I've passed.
33.
You have to get a 33.
Pass.
Fucking hell.
Yes, I got at least 33.
Woo! That was 75.
That's like half, nearly.
You
So-
got more than Tom, Jamie, and Josh put together.
Exactly.
Probably times by about 2 or 3.
I can play them.
Coordinates of the minimum point of the curve.
This one's easy.
Well, hardly anyone's ever passed A-level maths at Tennessee, so whatever you get.
Hardly anyone. You've passed it. I'm kind of passing it. There's no one else.
Yeah, but we started with 5.
Then
And
you
then
went.
add in you and Emily, that makes 7. So there's only 2 people that have passed the module so far,
Am I one of them?
obviously.
Yes.
So 2 out of 7.
It's not that bad, is
Make
it?
it 3.
Oh, I can't wait to eat my cake.
At least stop.